I totally understand what you're saying, and I know that physical studios are amazing. However, just from experience, it's also good for you to start learning at home. You don't need to wait for that physical class to start learning. I have been learning by myself at home until I found a class. The class I'm going now every Saturday morning and that I'm sharing about on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube as well. It's a Urakukanen class, which is not a Tahitian dance class, but very similar. Some techniques are a bit different, but still it's similar, and I like to go there and then share a passion with other people, with other moms. And honestly, I love it. I love the energy. I love that everyone is motivated. It helps me keep going. But I think it's good also to start at home by yourself, to understand your body, understand the posture and the technique. So start now.